dessert. Tap on it and we'll learn the recipe. It looks like Orange Blossom's order is a little more specific. She's asked us to decorate her dessert with a blue bow. Everybody loves chocolate cake. I know a delicious recipe. Let's bake it together. It's easy. Start by adding the dry ingredients. Pour the sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a large bowl. Well done! Now mix them all up. Perfect! Now add the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla. Isn't this fun? For extra yummy desserts, use real vanilla. Great! Keep going! Beat until light and fluffy. It's hot, so carefully pour in the cup of boiling water. Mix all the ingredients together. Spread the butter all over the bottom of... Slowly pour the batter into the pan. Now it's time to get the oven ready. Oven mitts are very important when taking your desserts out of a hot oven. That smells delicious! Once the cake has cooled, slice it through the center to make 2 even cakes. Spread icing over the bottom layer. Now spread icing over the top of the cake. Use as many colors as you'd like. Let's add some sprinkles to our dessert. Use your finger to spread them around. Decorate the cake using the blue bow that Orange Blossom asked for. That looks just right. That looks just right. That looks just right. I love your decorations. That looks just right. Wow, it's beautiful. That looks just right. I love your decorations. Nice work! You're a real chef! That looks very delicious! Yay! We filled Orange Blossom's order! And you just created this very special recipe. Don't forget to save it so you can make it at home. Whenever you're ready, let's go choose our next dessert to bake. We filled an order and got a star. A reward! Tap to open it and let's very delicious. I can't wait to use this in our next desserts that we'll bake together. This is the pantry. This is where we'll store all of the amazing rewards we'll earn by filling orders for my friends. There's so much to collect. I can't wait to see what we'll earn next. If we become a Star Bakers Club... Ooh, that's a Star Bakers Club club card. If we became a member, we could learn how to bake even more delicious desserts and fill more orders every day. If we become a member of the Star Bakers Club, we'll learn how to bake a princess cake right away.